I've seen the world 1,000 times, spent a while in the sky. Now I'm in a place I never knew. I've never felt I had a home. I'd settle down and then be gone, but I couldn't leave when I met you. You stopped my tracks, I'm not looking back. So I won't go so far that I couldn't have you close, 'cause you turned my heart, thought I'd let you know that I found what I need. It's different now, you've been my reason to stick around. Now all my defenses are falling down. You're the meaning of home to me. Been back and forth 100 ways, thought that I could get away from all the demons that I hide. I've been where no one knows my name. I've tried it all, it's all the same. With you I leave it all behind. You stopped my tracks, I'm not looking back. So I won't go so far that I couldn't have you close, 'cause you turned my heart, thought I'd let you know that I found what I need. It's different now, you've been my reason to stick around. Now all my defenses are falling down. You're the meaning of home to me. You're the meaning of home to me. You're the meaning of home to me. Looking at ourselves in the color field, daylight on the moon, are we really real? We never really wanted till it feels right. All I ever wanted was to make it right. Open up and watch me turn around and let me know. Here we are again in the afterglow. We don't have to question anymore. Slowly, I'm fading slowly into evergreen. We last forever, fading, fading into memory. Will we last forever?
We last forever. Isang mabiyayang hapon sa ating lahat. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Salamat, Geneva. Salamat, Jeremy. Yung kwento ng pagmamahalan ninyo ngayon, ito na. Kayo ay magtitipan sa tinatawag na sakramento ng matrimonyo o ng kasal. Pero ano ang batayan at ano ang kahalagahan ng sakramento na tatanggapin ninyo? Bagaman nag-usap na tayo at nalaman ninyo yung katotohanan, pero ang batayan kung bakit may kasal, pinagsama ng Diyos ang lalaki at babae, ito ang regalo ng nilikha ng Diyos, ang daigdig. Kaya Jeremy at Mary Geneva, itong kasal ay may mahabang kasaysayan. Nung una, ito'y tipan lang ng pagsasama ng lalaki at babae. Pero ang lahat nagkaroon ng kabuluhan at kahulugan nang pumasok si Jesus sa tipan o sa ugnayan ni Jose at ni Maria na tinawag ng sakramento ng matrimonyo. That is why this sacrament that you're about to receive as a sacrament, it is a blessing of life. That is why every marriage is a celebration of life. At ang pagdiriwang ng buhay sa kasal ay nagbibigay kaligayahan. Ano ang dahilan na andito kayo? Dahil nagkasundo kayo na magmahal. Wala nang iba. At ang dahilan ng lahat ng pagsasama nyo, kaya ito'y nagbibigay buhay kasi mahal ninyo ang isa't isa. Why I'm telling you this? Kasi sa katotohanan, kung lahat ng mga mag-asawa ay magiging totoo at alam ang pinasok na buhay, everything that you will do is about the meaning of life. Everything that you will give and truly express that love will give happiness. Kaya ang kasal po, pagdiriwang ng buhay, ang kasal ay pagdiriwang ng kaligayahan dahil sa pagmamahal. Ngayon, Mary Geneva, nag-usap na kami kanina ni Jeremy. Ikaw naman ngayon, tatanungin ka. Ngayon ba, sigurado ka na itong si Jeremy ay buhay mo at magpapasaya sa iyo? Hindi ka na nagdadalawang isip? Hindi na, buti naman. Ikaw, Jeremy, baka nag-usap tayo kanina, ngayon, masasabi mo ba na itong si Geneva ang buhay mo at kaligayahan? Buti naman. Bakit? Ito ang pagsasaluhan niyo. Bakit ko sinasabi ito? Kasi ang dami namang ikinakasal, bakit pag mayroon ng problema, laging ang solusyon, hiwalayan? Diba? Ano ang nangyayari sa pag-ibig-ibigan ninyo? When you love, remember, it always gives life. A person and a married people always give happiness because that is what love in marriage is all about. Kaya kayong dalawa, walang ibang pagsasaluhan, bunga ng tipan ng Diyos, kundi magmahal na magbibigay ng buhay at kaligayahan. Lalong-lalo na Jeremy. Uulitin ko yung pinag-usapan natin kasama si Mary Geneva, ha? Ang lalaki kaya unang nilikha ng Diyos because the life of marriage and the protector of marriage, it must be you. Kaya yung mga lalaki po na nandito na may asawa, please do your role. You are the protector of marriage. You have no right to destroy marriage. That is the role of every man. Kaya nga diba, sa kasal, at batay sa aral at turo ng Panginoon, ang lalaki ang puno ng sambahayan. Kaya ikaw, Jeremy, nung una mo pa lamang makita ito si Mary Geneva, alam ko, diba, na-develop lahat. At ngayon, wag mong sayangin yung pagkakita mo sa kanya. Bagaman, sabi nga, di ba, mayroong isang instance lang doon sa inyong pagkikita. Pero bakit nangyari yun? At ngayon, ikakasal ka pa? Sayang naman ng 4 na taon na kung saan kayo'y nagmahal na. At yan ang tungkulin mo, ipagpapatuloy mo na lang ang iyong mission bilang asawa na kung mahal mo ang babaeng ito, bibigyan mo siya ng maayos at marangal na buhay. At anong role mo, Geneva? Buti naman. Alam mo pa yung pinag-usapan. Suporta. Ang babae, ang tawag may bahay, katuwang at tagapangasiwa ng buhay na binibigay ng lalaki. And that is your role in the sacrament of matrimony. Be a giver of life and happiness. Do your part. Pero alam ninyo, paano ito magbibigay buhay at kaligayahan? Sabi ko na kanina, it is a covenant of love. Sa Tagalog, tipan. Pag sinabi mong covenant, agreement. Pag sinabi niyong tipan, kasunduan. Kaya nga bakit sinasabi ni Jesus nang siya'y siluin ng mga Eskriyo at Pariseo, maaari bang hiwalayan ng lalaki ang kanyang asawa sa kahit anong kadahilanan? Anong sagot ni Jesus? Sa bandang dulo, ang pinagsama niya ay wag paghiwalay ng tao. Kasi ang tunay na mag-asawa na nagkasundo, magmamahalan hanggang sa huling hininga. Kaya ngayon pa lang, Jeremy, ang forever mo, sino? Si Mary Geneva. Geneva, sinong forever love mo? Si Jeremy. Itong sakramentong ito may forever love. Because you agreed at nagkasundo kayo sa isang bagay, pagmamahal lang. Kaya lahat ng gagawin nyo, hindi man madali, always put the grace of love. Because this is what your role as husband and wife. You are only to live your identity and your dignity as a person, only to love. Nothing more, nothing less. Pero Jeremy, mahal mo ba ito si Geneva?
Yes, Father. 100%.
Oh, yes, Father, 100%. May paliwanag tayo nung manda. Ikaw, Geneva, mahal mo ba ito si Jeremy? Ang ganun din. Ngayon, paano mo nasabing mahal mo to? 100% sige.
110.
110 pa, dinagdagan pa. Ngayon, para madali. What best describe your love for Geneva?
Tadhana.
Anong simbolo?
Faith and tadhana.
Tadhana. Maganda ka ng paliwanag. Tadhana ka. Ikaw, ano ang best description ay ikaw daw para kay Jeremy, isang tadhana. How about you, Geneva?
Companion for life.
Companion for life. Ito napaka-parte. Ikaw, tadhana. Delikadong tadhana yun. Ay, ikaw, paano nasabing tadhana mo ito? Ano bang mayroong sa tadhana?
Parang gumawa si God ng way for us to meet.
Ibig sabihin, gumawa ang Diyos na itong babae para sa iyo. Ibig sabihin, itinakda. At ikaw, bakit nasabi mong companion mo for life ang pagmamahal mo sa Kanya? Hindi ko siya hiningi, pero binigay siya ng Diyos. Parang naiiyak kayo. Gawin mo yun. Ibig sabihin ngayon, naniwala ka na ang pagmamahal mo mula sa Diyos na mayroong isang tao na itinakda para sa iyo. At ang babae ito na nagmahal, hindi niya hiningi, pero dumating ka, isang tadhana na naniwala na magsasama kayo at naniwala ang babae sa tadhanang iyon na ikaw ang gustong makasama hanggang may buhay. Remember, though there will be pain, though there will be suffering, but when there is love, everything will come to fulfillment. Kaya huwag kang magsawang magmahal na, Jeremy. Nandiyan na si Geneva. Diba? Kaya siguro paiyak-iyak kanina na. Naiiyak ka na. Kita-kita ka na dyan eh. Akala ko nga, di ka makakayat dito eh. Tapos ikaw din ha. Siguraduhin ang pagmamahal mo. This man will be your companion. Remember, every time you see this man, this is the man that will be with you all throughout your life. So continue to live by that kind of love. Pero alam nyo, sabi ko nga hindi madali. Pero pag may pagmamahal, pero anong klaseng pagmamahal ang kailangan? Diba? Ang sabi na ang pinagsama niya, huwag paghiwalayin. Bakit? The secret to a happy marriage is a kind of love that is always what? Faithful. Matapat. Pero ngayon, Jeremy, alam ko naman matapat ka eh. Sigurado ka na ba talaga ikaw mag-aasawa?
Yes, Father.
Sigurado na. Ikaw, Mary Jenny, ba sigurado na sa pinasok mong buhay? Ngayon, ano na ang katapatan mo after this marriage? Tanda ng pagmamahal. Ano na ang katapatan mo? Na ikaw?
Na ako ang...
Na ikaw ang?
Alin, sir?
Nawawala ka sa sarili mo. Na ikaw ang?
Magiging
puno
ng tahanan.
ng tahanan. Ngayon, ano ang katapatan mo na Mary Geneva sa buhay ni Jeremy? Tanda ng pag-ibig. Ikaw ang magiging may bahay. Ngayon, simple lang. Ang katapatan nyo sa pag-ibig na ito, isa lang. Maging matapat kayo bilang mag-asawa. Remember that. Because this marriage binds you to be a husband and a wife, but what is the grace? Love. Love of a husband and love of a wife. Kaya katulad ng maraming beses na sinasabi ko na, Jeremy, Mary Geneva, after your marriage, goodbye na sa masasayang araw. Bilang ano? Binata, bilang dalaga. Bakit? Buhay nyo ngayon ay buhay mag-asawa. Ang katapatan nyo ay ang pagbubuo ng pamilya. I want you to remember that. Because this is what you have vowed for each other. This is now your fidelity. Because when you have faith, no matter what will happen to your marriage, as long as you're living and believing in marriage, this marriage, though it will face storms, though it will face pain, suffering, struggles, remember, you two will be forever husband and forever wife. Kaya kapag sinubok kayo, andyan lang si Lord. Lalong-lalo na katulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, ano ang paborito ni Satanas na sirain? Ang ugnayan ng mag-asawa. Ngayon, huling tanong na lang, Jeremy. May pagkakataon pa, huwag mo akong sisihin. Itutuloy na ba natin ang kasal kay Mary Geneva?
Yes, Father.
Yes na. Wala nang final answer na yun.
Final answer.
Ikaw, Mary Geneva, tuloy na ba ang kasal mo kay Jeremy? Wala na pa akong magagawa. Ngayon, panindigan nyo ito. Itinakda na kayo ng Diyos na magsama hanggang kamatayan. Believe your marriage is now your life and happiness because God believes in you and you believe that this is the kind of love you have for each other. So good luck. God bless. Pagpalain ang inyong pagsasama. Ngayon bilang magulang mo na Mary Geneva, masaya po ba kayo ng anak po ninyo ay kakasalo kay Jeremy? Parang nalulungkot po kayo. Hindi, biro lang. Kayo po bilang magulang, bilang nanay po ni Jeremy, masaya po ba kayo na ikakasal ang anak niya kay Mary Geneva? Salamat po sa suporta, Swerte ninyo, hindi lahat ng magulang aprobado sa napapangasawa ng anak. Ngayon kung masaya po kayo, katulad ng marimit na sinasabi ko, simula po sa araw na ito, huwag niyo pong ituring na iba si Jeremy. Ituring niyo pong anak po ninyo. Gayon din po kayo, ituring niyo pong anak po ninyo si Mary Geneva. Bakit? Mahalaga po ang suporta at pagtanggap ng magulang. Bakit po mag-aaminan na tayo Real talk tayo. Papasok po sila sa buhay pamilya ninyo, di ba? Minsan at malimit, sino pong nakakalaban ng panapangasawa ng anak? Sino ho? Ang magagaling na biyanan. Huwag niyo na pong pahirapan kung masaya po kayo. Tapos lilinawin ko lang ang sabi ng Panginoon, iniiwan na kayo. But not totally. You are just secondary from them. Pero huwag kayo mag-alala. May bilin po ako dito. Alala niya? Hanggat kayang tumulong, Pilipino tayo mahalaga ang pamilya. Hanggat kayang tumulong, gagawin. Pero pag hindi na po nakakatulong ang mga anak, huwag magtatampo mga nanay at tatay Hindi madali ang pinasok nilang buhay. Kasi may mga magulang, alam may asawa, para bagang, ba't di ka natulong? Basta ito pong dalawa, nangako naman hanggat kaya nila, gagawin nila, tanda ng pagpapahalaga sa inyo, di ba? Mary Geneva at Jeremy, kilala niyo ba ang lahat ng ninong at ninang niyo? Very good. Bakit? Kapag nagka-problema kayong dalawa, dahil may mga bagay-bagay na marami pa kayong harapin, wag na wag kayong mahihiya na lumapit sa kanila. Because the role is to take care of this marriage. They are your second parents. At kapag nagka-problema rin kayong dalawa, hanapin ninyo ako ha. Bakit? Ako ang unang nagpatotoo na kayo karapat-dapat tumanggap ng sakramento ng kasal. Kaya ako may tungkulin din sa inyo. Kaya bilang pangako sa inyo, katulad ng pinapangako ko, at ito'y ginagawa ko araw-araw, as a gift to your marriage, you are now one with the couple that I am praying for. At yan ay ginagawa ko araw-araw bago ako magmisa. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang kasal ay buhay. At kung mayroong magbibigay pag-asa sa mundong ito, mag-uumpisa yan sa buhay, pagsasama bilang mag-asawa na bumubuo ng pamilya. Hinihiling ko ngayon na buong katapatan niyo ipahayag ang inyong damdamin sa isa't isa. Mary Geneva, bukal ba sa inyo bang ipagparito pang makaisang dibdib? Si Jeremy na yung pakamahal paglilingkuran habang buhay. Tingin.
Opo, Father.
Ikaw naman, Jeremy, bukal ba sa inyo bang ipagparito pang makaisang dibdib si Mary Geneva na yung pakamahal paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sabay niyong sasagutin ito. Nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa inyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na umasang inyong aarugay ng mga supling na ipagkakalab ng may kapal upang sila ay inyong palakin bilang mabubuting mamamayang Kristiyano?
Opo, Father.
Opo, Father.
Minamahal ko ang Mary Geneva at Jeremy, sa harap ng Diyos at ng sambayanan, hawak kamay kayo.
Mary Geneva, sa harap ng Diyos at sa harap ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kita, maging aking may bahay, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng aking buhay ngayon at kailanman.
Jeremy, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kitang maging aking asawa sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng aking buhay ngayon at kailanman.
Ang pagtatanong sa babae, Mary Geneva, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jeremy na naririto ngayon na lisunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso bang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piniyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Ikaw naman, Jeremy, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Mary Geneva na narito ngayon na lisunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso bang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Ngayon ang panalangin ng sumbahan sa isa't isa.
Ama
Ama naming
naming
mapagkalinga,
Ama naming tapat, pagpalain mo po kami, nag-iisang palad, papagningningin mo po sa lahat ng oras, ang pagsasamahan namin, dalisay at wagas, sa puso't diwa ng isa ng magkaisa, at naway maging matatag sa hirap at dusa,
sa
ginhawa at kaligayahan ay magsamahan, maging tapat sa pag-ibig ngayon at kailanman.
Bilang tagapagpatunay ng simbahan, pinagtitibay ko't pinapaspasan ang pagtataling puso na iyong pinagtipag sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Ngayon po inanyayahan ko ang may dala ng sising at aras.
Mary Geneva, kailanmay di kita pagtataksilan, isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito, siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Jeremy, kailanmay, di kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mary Geneva, kailanmay, di kita pababayaan. Inilalaga ko sa iyo ang mga aras na ito na tanda ng aking pagpapahalaga at pagkalinga sa kapakanan mo at ng ating magiging mga anak sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Tinatanggap ko ito at nangangako ako magiging iyong katuwang sa wastong paggamit at pangangasiwa ng ating kabuhayan.
Mga minamahal na kapatid, sa sandaling ito, sa biyaya ng sakramento ng kasal, sa pagbabasbas ng Panginoon, sina Mary Geneva at Jeremy ay tatawagin ng mag-asawa. Pasalubungan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan. Mary Geneva at Jeremy, saksi ang biyaya ng Diyos sa tulong ng mga magulang, ninong at ninang ninyo at buong sambayan ng Diyos. Kayo'y mag-asawa na. Kaya muling paalala, sa sandaling ito, nagtatapos na ang buhay nyo bilang binata, bilang dalaga. Sa paglabas ng simbahan, bagong buhay, kayo magsasalo sa kasal bilang mag-asawa na magbibigay ng buhay at kaligayahan. Kaya, ingatan nyo ito. Ito'y buhay nyo at kaligayahan. Bayan ng Diyos, tulungan natin sa panalangin sina Mary Geneva at Jeremy. Congratulations po sa mga magulang, ninong at ninang at buong bayan ng Diyos. Sana maging daluyan ito ng tunay na pagpapala, Panginoon. Good luck sa inyong dalawa. Maaari na po kayong bumalik sa inyong upuan.
Maaari na pong maupo ang mga magulang, gayon din ang ninang at ninang.
Ama naming banal, ikaw ang lumikha sa sanlibutan at sangkatauhan, na iyong ginawang maging lalaki at babaeng iyong kalarawan, at nilob mong mapuspos ang iyong pagpapala sa pagpapakasal. Idinadalangin namin ang babaeng ito na si Mary Geneva, ngayong naging kabiyak ng puso ni Jeremy, upang sa magkatuwang nilang pamumuhay, ang iyong pinadadaloy na pagpapala ay mag-umapaw, at sa pagkakaroon nila ng mga anak ay magkamit ang sambayanan ng mga bagong kaanib bilang dakilang kayamanan. Makasapit naman sila sa pagtanda ng may kasiyahan sa piling ng mga kaibigang putong nila at karangalan, sa pagsapit nila sa iyong kaharian sa kalangitan, sa pamamagitan ng Jesucristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo, magpa sa walang hanggan.
Amen.
Geneva and Jeremy, mga kapatid na bagong kasal, habilin ko sa inyo, mamuhay kayong lagi sa pag-ibig na puspos ng katapatan, na laging nagtitiwala sa pagmamahal at sa Panginoon. Para kay Mary Geneva, pag-ibig mo ay patunayan sa pagiging buting may bahay na may pananampalataya, kabanal pag-ibig sa may kapal. Para kay Jeremy, may bahay mo'y ibigin gaya ng malasagin kayo sa simbahan, bilang pagsunod sa kalooban ng Diyos Ama sa kalangitan. Sumainyo ang Panginoon.
At sumayo rin
Ang Diyos ang makapangyarihan na isang magbigay ng kagalakan dulot ng mga anak na sa inyo sisinang at ng kanyang kasiyahan ngayon at magpa sa walang hanggan.
Amen.
Ang bugtong na anak ng Diyos ay sinawang sa inyo'y tumuwang sa kahirapan at kaginawahan ngayon at magpa sa walang hanggan.
Amen.
Ang Espiritu Santo ay sinawang magdulot ng pagmamahal na nag-uumapaw sa inyo ngayon at magpa sa walang hanggan.
Amen.
At kayong lahat na natitipon dito ay pagpalain nawa ng makapangyarihang Diyos, ang Ama, Anak at Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Mga kapatid, tapos ng banal na pagdiriwang, taglayin niyo sa iyong pag-alis ang kapayapaan at pag-ibig ni Kristo.
Salamat sa Diyos.
Ngayon ho, bilang patunay sa atin, ina Jeremy at Mary Geneva na sila ganap mag-asawa, saksihan natin ang pinakaunang halik bilang mag-asawa. Jeremy, you may now kiss your wife, Mary Geneva. Palakpakan po natin ang mga bagong kasal.
Hi, Geneva. Bunny, my love. The day that we were waiting for has finally arrived. You always ask me the question, why do you want to marry you? And I always tell you the answer, it's because I love you. Kasi mahal kita. But I know love will not be enough. As I have a deeper reflection, I was reminded of the idea of the invisible string theory. It is the idea that fate was always pulling you towards each other. It's that some stories don't start when you meet. They start long before, in the moments that you cross paths. So what are those? Number 1, you started working in Mondinisin, same company, January 2017, while I started February 2017. Same year, just a month apart. Second, we have this Gangho seminar, a 2-day seminar, when we are also both attendees. We haven't had any interaction, but you were just there, no? Hindi lang tayo nagkikita and nag-uusap. Nung naging tayo, saka ko lang nalaman na magkagangho pala tayo. No? Dahil nakita ko lang siya sa picture. Number 3. Due to the need of my position, my boss required me to go back in Laguna for a new role. Again, fate moves its way again that you were assigned as the HR to hire my replacement. So again, that's the invisible string theory that's come into place. In front of God, I vow to always protect you. I will always see to it that you are the first in everything that I decide on. I will always think that in every arguments, ensure that we were going to have arguments in the future. I will put also into mind that it's the problem yung kalaban natin and hindi tayong dalawa. And I always want to say to you, even mahirap, even masakit, ikaw yung pipiliin ko. Hindi mo babago yun. Kahit na anong pagdaanan natin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. So, I love you. And thank you for marrying me. I love you.
My dearest Jeremy, today, a long-held dream of mine has come true. I remember dreaming of you standing at the altar, wearing a beautiful blue suit. And here you are right now, realizing that dream. Who would have thought that I, a fiercely independent woman, content in my own little world, would openly love another person for a lifetime. I never wished for a partner, yet the universe, as it always does, had its own plans. I believe God knew. I learned how to love myself, and in that moment, He gifted me with you. You, Jeremy, are the embodiment of love, sent to teach me how to love and care for another soul. My friends often wondered how you managed to reach my heart. I had guarded so carefully. I too worried it. But who wouldn't fall in love with you? You are consistent, kind-hearted, and family-oriented. I admire your unwavering dedication to your family, knowing you'll bring the same devotion to our marriage. Trust doesn't come easily to me, but you have consistently proven your love, not just with words, but with actions. You learned the language of giving flowers, planning dates, and discovering new places. You navigated my first time in a relationship awkwardness with grace and patience. For nearly 4 years, we've walked through highs and lows, discovering each other's best and worst qualities. It hasn't always been easy, merging my independent life with our shared journey, but you never gave up. Always reminding me of the deep, enduring love we share. Look at us now, standing in front of God and all of our loved ones, professing our love to each other. From this day forward, I vow to love you with all that I am and will ever be. I will continue to care for you, especially when only my love can mend your sadness. I vow to always be by your side, regardless of the situation. I will remind myself daily how blessed I am to have you. I vow to accept my mistakes, always apologize, and ensure we don't go to sleep with unsettled issues. I will cherish our best days and help us navigate the bad, remembering the lessons sleep teach us. I vow to bring joy to your face on difficult mornings, acknowledge the smallest things you do, and always say thank you. I vow to be the best partner for you, a good mother to our future children, and ensure you know you did the right thing in marrying me. I will remain faithful all days of our lives. You are my life, my everything. I thank God for bringing our paths together. I will love you endlessly until my last day. I love you, Jeremy, my one and only love.
Nabi.
It's been a long day for change. It's been a long wait, but I'm not lost. I'm not lost. I'm on my way.
Dennis Lendoco!
Yeah, so good evening everyone. So first of all, we would like to thank everyone who gave their time. Even sabi nga ni Jiro, even though it's a Saturday. So we really appreciate all of you guys coming from different places. Some of them came from different parts of the Philippines and even overseas, para maka-experience lang on celebrating our wedding. So we're very thankful. So we only have one request, is for you to stay until the end of the reception. We prepared nice foods for you, cake, So ang gusto lang namin would be for you to end yung celebration with us until sa reception. Yes, and to celebrate with us. So thank you very much.
Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I'll be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand, have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together. 'Cause I will be here.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please.
Look at the two of you dancing that way, lost in the moment and each other's face. So much in love, you're alone in this place, like there's nobody else in the world. I was enough for her not long ago. I was her number one, she told me so, and she still means the world to me, just so you know. So be careful when you hold my girl. Time changes everything, life must go on, and I'm not gonna stand in your way. I loved her first, and I held her first, and the place in my heart will always be hers. From the first breath she breathed, when she first smiled at me, I knew the love of a father runs deep. And I pray that she'd find you someday, but it's still hard to give her away. I loved her first.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please, for Mr. Dennis Castillo.
You
Ladies and gentlemen, Jeremy and Geneva's first dance.
I call her Nining, and I have called her that ever since I was 3 years old. You see, I already had an ate, So my tiny toddler brain came up with Nining all on its own. And let me tell you, my childhood with Nining was, let's just say, character building. I was a studious kid who carried what felt like 20 books to school every day. And when Nining got mad at me, she made sure I felt it. She would take my books and hide them in the most bizarre places around the house. And imagine an elementary schooler panicking because her precious books were suddenly missing. And guess what? Nining would just sit there watching me spiral into chaos with the most satisfied grin on her face. Yan, ganyan na ganyan. Yeah, but here's the thing. Looking back, I think that's what sisters are for. To toughen you up, to teach you resilience, and in their own strange ways, to show you love. Because as much as Nining enjoyed making me cry back then, I always knew she had my back. Now that we've grown up, we've changed. Well, mostly. I'd like to say I finally developed immunity to her antics, but let's be honest, she will always find a way. And now, Kuya Jeremy, it is your turn. But in all seriousness, you're marrying one of the most generous and caring people I know. She would give me allowance for my college, always treat me to samgupsal, and share whatever she had to our family. So, Nining may seem tough on the outside, sometimes even a little intimidating, but beneath that exterior is someone with the softest heart. She cares deeply, fiercely, and selflessly for the people she loves. She might not always show it in the most obvious way, but when she loves you, you know you're loved. And Kuya Jeremy, now that you're officially part of this family, that love extends to you. So, welcome to the family, Kuya Jeremy. And you've won the heart of someone truly special, and we are so happy to have you. Meron pa from my ate. Okay lang ba? Ayan, nandito ang ate ko, naka-live. Pero babasahin ko na lang yung message niya. Bonnie, she was my first ever tagasalo of hand-me-downs. But beyond that, she was also my first little sister. The first one I felt the need to protect after our brother. I still remember when we were kids, there was a time someone tried to bully us. Normally, I was a well-behaved child, but the moment Bonnie was involved, all of that went out the window. No one messes with my siblings, and that's how it's always been. No matter how much we argued at home, we never held grudges. Our parents raised us to support each other, and I'm proud to say that's exactly what we do. Bonnie, I've always admired how strong and independent you are. You don't let unnecessary distractions affect you, and even when life gets overwhelming, you handle it with grace. I saw that firsthand during the wedding preparations. You poured your heart into every detail, making sure everything was perfect, even after a long day at work. You never let stress get the best of you, and I know that same strength will carry over into your marriage. And Jeremy, well, I have to say, you and Bunny are bagay na bagay. You're both generous, not just with money, but with love, time, and effort. You balance each other out in the best way. Bunny brings structure and organization, and you, Jeremy, have the patience and calmness to handle her sungit moments. Together, you make a great team. And I have no doubt that you'll navigate this lifetime side by side, always complementing each other's strengths and lifting each other up in times of weakness. So yeah, congratulations to both of you, my ate and kuya. Thank you so much, and have a lovely evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. First up, I just wanted to say huge congrats to you and Jeremy and Geneva. And for those who don't know me, I've had the privilege of growing up with Jeremy from high school and up until now. I've watched him work hard for everything he has. And if there's one thing about Jeremy, it's that he never takes shortcuts. His success didn't just happen, and He put in time, effort, and sacrifices to get where he is today. Honestly, it's been amazing to see him become who he is today. Now, he's starting this chapter with Geneva. I had no doubt that he'll put the same love, dedication, and effort into their marriage. Geneva, you got an incredible guy by your side. And Jeremy, I know you found something just as amazing. I couldn't be happier for both of you. Wishing you a life of love, happiness, and success. And congrats.
In 1, 2, 3. Cheers for the American happiness for Jerry and Geneva. Vanessa, James Anthony, thank you so much.
Salamat po sa mga guests, Ninong at Ninang, sa lahat ng mga. At salamat sa iyo, anak, sa aking anak na mabait. At pasensya na po. Naiiyak lang ang lola mo. Wala talaga akong masabi sa anak ko dahil napakabait talaga. Mula nang mawala ang kanyang daddy, siya na talaga. At saka, hirap talaga sa iyong kapatid na nasa malayo. Kaya natin to. Salamat anak dahil napakabait mo talaga at ano ka na iyong partner na napakabait din. Part ka ng aming pamilya ngayon. At isa lang ang wish ko talaga na magkaroon na agad ng apo. Nagulat sila, no? At salamat talaga, anak, ha? Salamat sa inyo lahat at congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Thank you.
Magandang hapon po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa, Jeremy and Geneva. Masasabi ko lang ay sa'yo, Jeremy, bilang asawa ng aking anak, alagaan mo siya at mahalin mo siya ng lubos at ingatan, Jeremy. At sa iyo naman, Geneva, mahalin mo rin ng lubos si Jeremy. Pagsilbihan mo siya at irespeto mo siya bilang iyong asawa. Sa buhay mag-asawa, maraming pagsubok. Parang bagyo, parang lindol. Marami, hindi mo masasabi. Walang perpekto. Walang perpekto na laging masaya. Maraming mga pag kayong magdadaanan. Ang mapayo ko lang sa inyo, laging kayong tumawag kay God. Lagi kayong pagtibayin nyo ang inyong pagmamahalan lagi. Parang kahit na anong bagyo o kahit na anong unos na dumaan sa inyong buhay, mag-asawa, ay hindi kayo basta-basta magigiba. Yun ang aking may papayo sa inyo. Oo. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. At kay God, congratulations again sa inyo, mga anak, Jeremy and Geneva. Salamat po.
Now,
now. 10, 9. O sige ha. 8, 7. Wala pa. 6. Wala pa. 5. Wala pa. Hold it. 4. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Inhogo. How about a round of applause? Congratulations, you win the prize! Before you get the prize, you have to sing it!
There's one more. People want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. Living with you, baby. If I got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything. Everything means something if I ain't got you. But I don't want nothing at all. It ain't you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you.
Girl, you're beautiful. Congratulations to the prize! Okay, so sing it!
And when you get the chance,
sing!
You are the dancing queen. You're the sweet only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah. You can dance, you can jazz, having the time of your life. See that girl, watch them sing, digging the dancing queen.
Congratulations, Nina! You won a prize! Ladies and gentlemen, help me out. Please shout. Before he gets the prize, he has to sing it.
Magkano po na price? Need you now tonight.
Sing!
And I need you more than ever.
Higher!
And if you hold me tight, we'll be loading on
Everyone!
forever. And we'll make it right.
Hey!
Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow on the end of the tide. All of the time. I don't know what to do. I'm always in the dark. We're living in a powder can giving off sparks. I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start. Once upon a time I was falling in love.
Nakakabitin. Ladies and gentlemen, before he gets the prize, he has to sing it.
One, two, three,
Three.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,
Three.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Getting back to my sky. Let us swing
from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. I'm gonna fly like a bird through the night, till my tears are dry. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. Hold it. Gusto pa? Congratulations! You are the prize, DJ. Next song, please. Before your friends here get the prize, she has to sing it.
Mahal mo na kahit kailan, hindi kita iiwan. Kahit kailan, hindi kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan.
Yep.
Kung ikaw ay mawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanin pa kayang umibig pang huli. Kahit na ano pang mangyayari, hindi maaaring ipagkait. Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli. Thank you.
Sing it to win it. Sing it. Grabe! Masyado namang dinalingan. Everyone, before a gentleman right here gets the prize, he has to sing it to win it. Sing it. The bouquet symbols, symbolizing for the love. So, ladies, don't worry, no singing, no dancing. We're gonna hand you a ribbon. Can I have all the ribbons, please? And right here, I have a scissor. Now, our bride will cut off one by one all the ribbons up until we only have one ribbon that will be left. That's mean po, she is the lucky girl tonight, okay? So ladies, can you please go around, get the dulong part lang. Dulong part. Okay, dulong part lang. Hawakan nyo rin dulong part and go around, come on. Hey. Cut it out! Sige! Go ladies! Cut it! Cut it! Go ladies! Ladies, dulo! Good! You have to go down! Ladies! Cut it out! Cut it out! Cut it out! One by one! Go! Dulo lang! Dulo lang hawakan guys! Dulo lang ang hawakan! Okay! Okay! Kabila! Balik! Balik! Hey! Hey! Cut it out! Cut it! Go down and get cut! Go down! Go down! Go down! Go down to 3! Cut it! Go Geneva! Cut that ribbon! Cut it out! Cut that ribbon! Four more! Four more! Go back! 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 Check it out! 3 more! 3 more! 3 more! Cut it! Go back! Go back! Balik, 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 balik! Sige, balik! Cut it out! Sige lang! Kung sino matira! Down to 2! Down to 2! Down to 2! Kanino? 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 Cut it! Ladies and gentlemen, our lucky Bachelor! Where's that? Jeremy?
Wedding, so sobrang we're really overwhelmed. We didn't realize that it would be this perfect for us. And really want to thank everyone, especially first of all to our parents, no, for taking time, to our principal sponsors who are here, and also to all of the guests, no, who arrived, no, on time, and yung mga humabol, we really appreciate that. And also to all our suppliers, no, we want to thank everyone, no, na nag-participate, especially to our photo and video coordinator, especially. Then food, syempre Manang A. So the rest, Cruelas, no. So everyone, no. So I hope you had a good time, no, na this evening. So this is a new step of our lives na we are really happy that you're part of it. And we will always remember each and every one of you na nandito ngayon because you made it so very, very, very memorable. So yun lang on my side. So Geneva.
Yeah. Wala na akong masabi, parang nasabi niya na lahat. But from the bottom of our hearts, we really thank you for the time and the efforts you spent celebrating with us. So, hindi madali mag-put up ng wedding. It's been a 1.5-year-long journey. And finally, ito na siya. Maraming salamat dahil binigyan nyo ng panahon at effort yung wedding namin. Despite of all your busy schedules, no? I want to thank also my bridesmaids. Hindi biro ang pagbili at paggawa ng mga gowns, especially ewan ko, no? Ang bibisi rin nating lahat, no? Sa ating mga principal sponsors, ganun din, no? Maraming salamat. Lumipad pa ang iba naming mga principal sponsors coming from different parts of the Philippines. Yeah, no? Shout out Tito Nonoy, Tita Maris sa pagpunta, sa pag-represent ng Duga family. And sa lahat ng nandito, mahal namin kayo. Salamat po!